Welcome to the Piazza, the central hub here on the Sun Princess. This beautiful area is the largest piazza on any princess ship, and it is used for so many different activities. These stages actually can raise up so that way you can have a whole dance party. You usually have the band playing here every night, a ton of different entertainment. You also have aerial acts that come from above, up in the ceiling, come down, and you have our aerial acts, but this is the main party hub and dance place for this ship. You also have some other shows that happen in here, like the game shows, Officers versus Guests, Yes, No Game Show, which is a huge favorite at ours, and a whole bunch of different entertainment venue. During the daytime, like right now, it's kind of just like a loungy kind of area. They have music playing in the background. Occasionally you will have some music playing here more in the later evenings, like towards dinner time, but for right now, there's just kind of music being piped in. An easy way to remember navigating around the Piazza area is the screen behind me here is facing the forward, and this actually will close during some activities. So if you are facing the aft of the ship, the back of the ship, you have Bellinis here on the port side of the ship, and you have coffee currents here on the starboard, the right side of the ship. In case you're not used to navigating around ships, port is 4 letters, therefore it is the left side if you are facing forward, and so is port and left both have 4 letters. That's how easiest way to remember it. Up on deck 8 of the Piazza area, you have lots of seating to see any activities or events that are happening here. If you are facing forward, which means you are facing towards the screens, on the left hand, the port side, you have crooners. This is one of our favorite venues. We've been very lucky that right before our dinner time at 5, from 4 to 4:45, we've had piano playing pretty much every night, and it is amazing. Unfortunately, some of those entertainers are going off the ship, so you won't get to enjoy them, but new ones will be coming on. So go check that out. On the starboard side, so the right side of the ship, if you're facing the screen, you have Mikado Ocean. This is a specialty restaurant for your seafood, your sushi bar. This is a bit different than the other ships where you have like your Kai or your Ocean Terrace sushi, which is casual dining. This is a full-on specialty dining restaurant that is open from 5 to 9 p.m. Up here on deck 9, if you are facing the screen, which is forward on the starboard, the right side, you have your International Cafe as well as your eatery, which is your buffet, and just like a seating area. They used to have Future Cruise there, but I guess too many people were using it as a dining area. So they actually moved it over to the port side, the left side. That's where your Future Cruise and Loyalty desk is, as well as Alfredo's. Alfredo's is a casual dining venue, so an at-cost dining venue that has your pizzas and your calzones. This place is delicious.
So what do you think about this Piazza compared to other princess ships? Let us know in the comments below and give us a hype if you like this information.